The Game Changer Mindset. Turn your passion into a powerful business. Hey there, future game changers. Are you ready to build something incredible? Are you ready to stop dreaming and start doing? Because today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your passion into a powerful, purpose-driven business that changes lives, including your own. Let's go. Passion first, the secret to building a legendary business. Listen up. Business is not just about making money. It starts with emotions. It starts with passion. You want to create something legendary? Start with what you love. Too many people waste years struggling in areas where they don't thrive. That stops today. Instead, focus on your strengths. Focus on what excites you. When you do what you love, success isn't forced, it's natural. Think about this. Have you ever met someone who is so passionate about what they do that their energy is contagious? Their enthusiasm pulls you in, right? That is the secret. If you love your business, you pour your heart into it. And when you do that, people feel it, they connect with it, they believe in you. But passion alone isn't enough, so here's what's next. Give life to your business, show up and stand out. It's not just about having a great idea, it's about bringing that idea to life. How do you do that? You show up, you tell your story, you make sure the world sees and feels your energy. Use every tool available, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, wherever your audience is. Show up and show them why your business matters. Don't just sell a product, create a movement. Speak with energy, passion, and fire. When people feel the story behind your brand, they don't just buy from you, they become part of your journey. Drop a comment right now. What's your brand story? What makes your business different? Multiple streams of income, experiment and scale. One big mistake entrepreneurs make, relying on only one way to make money. That's a trap. Instead, experiment. Try different strategies. Test different revenue models. Some will fail, but some will stick. And when they do, boom, you keep growing and scaling. Ask yourself, can you turn your knowledge into a digital course? Can you create a subscription service? Can you add a high-ticket offer? The more ways your business makes money, the stronger and more resilient it becomes. What's one new revenue stream you could test this month? Drop it in the comments. Purpose over profit, the real game changer. Here's the truth. The best businesses aren't built on money. They're built on purpose. Your business isn't just about selling something. It's about creating feelings, conversations, connections. People don't buy products, they buy into a vision. So ask yourself, what's your why? Why does your business exist? Why does it matter? When you know your why, you'll have direction, resilience, and an unstoppable drive. And guess what? People don't follow businesses. They follow leaders who stand for something bigger than just profit. So, what's your why? Share it below. Fail fast, fail forward. Learn from every setback.